Bitcoin has a price. I mean, there's no arguing that it has a price, but it has a price because people want to buy it, and because a lot of people who own it don't want to sell it because they think the price is going to keep going up. So, but that doesn't mean that it has any underlying value just because it has a price, just because people are willing to speculate in it. But that's what Bitcoin is being used as. It's not being used as money. It's being used as a speculative digital asset. I mean, to me, people collect Bitcoin,
so I think
and they collect Bitcoin because they think the collection is going to be more valuable in the future.
So I think you have a very narrow definition of money, which is what you believe and what governments believe, right? So for example, if we ask the audience here, how many people believe Bitcoin is money? Like, well, let's see, right? So, but this is an unfair crowd.
Right, but you know,
this is an unfair crowd. But the point is, though, many people do recognize Bitcoin as money. Whether we call it money, how you define it, we can debate about that, the definitions of it.
Well, nothing is priced in Bitcoin, so it's not a unit of account. When you
price is relative, though. Like, no, we can reverse calculate. Like the price of U.S. dollars in Bitcoin is 0.00.
No, but that's like an exchange rate. But I'm talking about merchandise, people that are selling goods and services, which would include, labor. Nobody quotes wages or prices in a fixed quantity of Bitcoin, right? You're not going to. It doesn't happen anywhere. To the extent that even somebody was to get paid in Bitcoin, they would have a salary in dollars or in euros, and then when it came time to get paid, they would try to figure out how many Bitcoin they need to equal that number of dollars or number of euros. It's not a unit of account like money, and it's not being used as a medium of exchange. But people, most of the Bitcoin, it's like traded on Binance, and people gamble with it. They buy it and they sell it. They day trade it or they hodl it, but they're not using it. I mean, as a medium of exchange. It's not a unit of account, and it can't be a store of value because you can't store what you don't have.
Just because something's price is fluctuating doesn't mean you couldn't get paid for it. I got paid in salary in Bitcoin in 2014. So 11 years.
What was your salary?
Was like, I don't know, wasn't that high. It was like 100K-ish at that time.
No, you said it was in Bitcoin. Was your salary a quantity of Bitcoin?
Well, as you said, we'll rebase every month, right?
But yeah, but that's not the same thing. If it was money, somebody would have to say, my salary is 1/10 of a Bitcoin.